Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about the question answers of the adventures of Gulliver. Today we are going to continue with same question number second. Here it is, of language study, okay. Of language study, question number 2, find suitable adverbs for each of the following, okay. Main question is 3, language study. And in that sub question is second, find suitable adverbs. Find what? Find suitable adverbs for following, okay. Find suitable adverbs. So first one which is given here is walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Now what will be suitable adverb for this? For one word at least 3 adverbs we should able to add, okay. Now walk is what? Walk is verb, okay. Now we have to add adverb for the word walk. So what will be adverb which we can use is, adverbs are the words which ends with ly, okay. So walk slowly, more what we can write is walk steadily, walk steadily, walk quickly. Can we make this word? Yes, walk quickly. Second word which is given in the book is, after walk is speak, okay. Now what adverb we can use for speak? Speak is what? It is an action. The action words are called verbs. So what we can write down adverbs for speak? Speak softly, S-P-E-A-K, speak softly, speak loudly, speak softly, speak loudly. Some another examples are speak clearly, next word which is given here is push, P-U-S-H, push. Now which adverb we can add for the verb push? Push is an action word, action is done of pushing. So what adverb we can add for this verb? The adverb which we can use for word push is push forward, push backward, correct. So I am writing answer, push forward, push backward, push forward, push backward. And one more which I can write is push forcefully, push forcefully. Next word which is given in the book is study. Now what adverbs we can add for word study? S-T-U-D-Y, study. The adverbs which we can use for word study is, example, study regularly, study hard, study daily. So study hard, study regularly, study daily. Now which words are adverbs in this? Hard, regularly, daily. These words are what? These words are adverbs in the examples, okay, or you can say in the answer. Next word is sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Sing well, sing badly. Fifth one, S-I-N-G, sing. Sing well, sing softly, sing melodiously. Sixth example is, what example is the sixth one? Work. So we can write down work hard, work honestly, work tiredly. Okay, work hard, work tiredly, work honestly. So in this way we have added what? We have added for each word adverbs. Okay, next question is third one. For this third question we have to write down opposite words of the following adverbs. Okay, now what is the opposite word of hard? The opposite word of hard is soft. Okay, so I am writing first answer, hard, soft. Second word which is given is quickly, slowly, fast, slow, quickly, slowly. Okay, next one is quick, fast. Next one, fourth one, tidily, untidily, unknowingly, knowingly. Tidily, untidily. Fifth one is unknowingly, opposite of unknowingly is knowingly. Sixth example is early, opposite of early is late. So sixth answer, EARLY, early, LATE, late. Seventh one, often, opposite of often is rare, OFTEN, often. Opposite of often is rare, RARE, rare. Can you see all examples? RARE, rare. After that is never, opposite of never is always. Okay, what is spelling of always? ALWAYS, always. Opposite of honestly is dishonestly. What is spelling of dishonestly? DISHONESTLY, dishonestly. Opposite of shamefully, shameful means what? When we do some bad thing, or you can say if we don't behave properly in the class, what we feel? We feel shameful. So here example is given, shamefully, shamelessly, SHAMELESSLY. Opposite of shamefully is what? Shamelessly. In this way we have completed all question answers of this lesson. Okay, what was name of our lesson? The Adventures of Gulliver. Please complete all these question answers in your English workbook as well as in your English notebook. Okay, we will start with new lesson tomorrow, a lesson for all. It is totally related with animals, how to treat animals when we go and visit some places, zoos or biological parks are there. How should we behave? Something little bit related to that is given in the next lesson that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, this much is enough for today. Thank you.